Good morning, people from South Africa. I hope you all slept very well. And that you're going to have a fantastic day. This is how cold it is in PE, Port Elizabeth. Last night, I've never been so cold in my life. Oh, that was a good one. That's how cold it is. Prada and myself are on a secret walk here. I sneaked her out without the other two dogs knowing. I feel that she lacks exercise because I keep her inside with me because she started to kill my feathered pets and which breaks my heart. So she must be under surveillance at all time. And this was a secret walk. Seems like that was a good place for the bird bath. Those doves are really enjoying it. Whoop. Spickles. Oh, you must know she's lonely if she looks me up. Bella. Bella the beagle. Prada the Weimaraner cross. Prada, kyk weer vir mamma so op af. Kom. How's hy? Waar's Brada? Brada. Dis sy. Ooh, dis Brada. Soaking up some winter sun. Stoffel. He's really not doing good. Really sometimes cry of the pain. I'm very worried. I do rub him in, I do give him pain tablets, but it's not going well. Brada? Brada? Los dit. This is Puddles that's right here with me now. Puddles. Sunny. Happy has grown a lot. Actually quite a nice duck. And Matilda. Yeah. Okay, this is autumn. Only let Sylvia out now. I can only let her come out. She's having breathing problems. But she's been through such a lot of stress. I have given her medicine this morning, but she's struggling. Got some respiratory damage with all the stress that she went through. Mom's little favorite. Oh, she cuddles. Closey. Look at the water. It's just hanging there. It's not going into the coat, into the feathers. Look at it. Oh, that's a good shot. Autumn and ginger. Autumn is quite a bit bigger than ginger, but I think autumn is also a little bit older than ginger. And Sylvia. Sylvia is actually in a good condition, it's just that breathing that's a problem for her. All I can say is thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you in a next video. Good night.